Hello everyone, my name is Nana Juma Daniel. In this video, I'll be giving an update as part of my progress report on this applied analytics project. So in the initial presentation, so to give a background information, as mentioned in the first video, I'm working with Prestige School Solutions LLC, which is based in South Carolina, and as a project support intern. To give a bit of background into the project I'm doing, I am developing a tool for the company to be able to convert files from Excel to CNT files. So the problem is that manually they enter the data into a government website, which is the LINQ website, where they update all the charter schools information, particularly relating to payroll, onto that platform. But the system only picks CNT files. And so what the company does is they spend about 3 hours doing manual entries into the LINQ platform. When they pull their data from different sources, about 3 different software, they convert it into Excel, and the Excel would have to be processed into CNT file in order to be loaded onto the LINQ platform, which is the government website, to give a report on all charter schools. And so what I have done is to be able to reduce the 3 hours of manual entry for entering data of a particular client onto the system. When this project is completed, the 3-hour manual work is going to be reduced to about 3 minutes or even less. So that is how important and that is how resourceful this platform is going to be for the organization. So I will take you straight into what I have done so far for you to have a first-hand experience on what I have done. So I started with this, which is the logic behind the whole thing that I'm going to do. So these are the logic, and this is not just any logic. They are according to scripts or according to a report, which is a requirement by the government website. And so I will briefly share that with you. I will share the report. So whatever I'm building is according to specification, and these are the specifications. It's quite lengthy. I can't take you through every single requirement, and so you would have to meet this specific requirement in order for you to be able to convert Excels into CNT files. So for example, if I'm to take you through one basic for example, there are 36 columns. So each of the column has specific specifications. They have specific instructions, So you would have to code according to the instructions in this particular manual, which is the OBIT report. So for example, the first column is the data type, which is about a length of 1, and the format is alphanumeric, and these are the values we need in that particular column. So as you can see, these 38 reports are the specific requirements required by any developer to meet the target or to meet the requirement of converting a file from Excel to CNT to be able to be compatible with the LINQ platform, which is the government website. And so these are the instructions I use in coming up with this coding. So these are all the fixed width column that I mapped in order to match every single columns in the Excel file to be able to have the fixed width. And then these are some functions I wrote in order to help the formatting. And this is a further instruction to generate lines. And as part of the report, we need a header, we need a trailer, and then finally the file can be converted. So this is the engine, or this is the back end instructions that I'm going to give to whatever platform that I'm going to do. These are this is the coding done behind it. Now let's look at how do we carry out the actual work. The actual work can be done by virtually anybody in the office. So you don't need to be technical. You don't need to be technical to be able to run the files that we are going to do. And therefore, I built another layer, which is the user interface for anybody at all in the office to be able to interact with and produce that Excel or CNT report. So I built this. Let me quickly run this as part of my demonstration. So okay, so let me run this, and it will take us to the final output. So this is the final interface that workers or the employees will be interacting with. They don't have to do the technical entries or the technical bit of it. So here, all you need to do is you upload the file, in this case the Excel file, which has the 36 columns. So once I upload, I can have a preview of what I have uploaded to make sure everything is in line. So all the columns, the 36 columns, can be previewed for you to see what you've uploaded. Okay, then here there are some specific instructions you need to follow. So you need to do some configuration. So you need to enter the agency number, you need to enter the reports period, and you need to input the date. So once you have entered all this correctly, you can now proceed to convert your Excel to CNT file, and here it will tell you that it has been converted. So once the conversion is done, you can have the CNT, and I have provided an extra CSV format so that you can also view it. So once this is converted, you can just click on download, and it will be downloaded for you to see the final report. So after the testing of what I have built, the final report will look like this. This will be the final report that will help the organization to reduce the 3 hours spent on each and every client into about 3 minutes. I mean, it can even be less, because looking at the demonstration I have done so far, you can see that within a minute, it's all about uploading your Excel file, and within a minute, you can convert it and download it. So this is important because it will reduce, or it will save the company a lot of hours of doing manual entry into a very automated platform, which can solve a lot of problem for the organization. So far, this is what I have done, and almost at the tail end of the project, and I will do a final presentation to show the final work that I will present to the company. So this is very important because it is helping solve a critical problem within the organization. Thank you so much.